like this. Then we're gonna make another round shape like this on the middle. Then we're gonna make a line over here and a line over here and connect it to this line. Like this. Then we're gonna make another line like this. We're gonna make it equal. Like this. Then we're gonna make a curve like this and a round shape like this and curve back to that curve. And then we're gonna make another curve over here and make another round shape and connect it to this curve. Now we're gonna make the stone, the circle and the diamond. The diamond like this and the circle like this. Like this. Now we're gonna color. First we're gonna color the diamond with a dark blue. Like this. Then we're gonna color the red on the big circle. This pink is very pretty. Now we're gonna do the golden of the short edges of the crown. Now let's do the golden on the line. Like this. Now we're gonna do the yellow over here. It's done. That crown looks so pretty. I think I should cut it and wear it. Look at